Hi, hello, namaste, adab. So myself Bhanu, I'm accounting faculty in Shikhara tutorials. Today I'm coming up with the great news regarding CMA Inter Group 2 announcement. So the batch is commenced from 22nd December 2025. The classes which are available in both face-to-face as well as online. So next, the completely classes we are going to discuss in 100% English. The following facilities we are going to provide for the CMA Inter students. So when coming to the faculty, they are expertise and experience. When coming to the materials, they are exclusively for the CMA Inter. And next one, customized and exam oriented. Next, the methods which are followed by the faculties are student friendly, and we are not only we are going to provide the classes, we are also going to provide the weekend examinations and consistency evaluation of student performance. So highly focused on the study hours. The classes which are available in two modes, one is the online classes, one is a face-to-face. Already the group 1 completed so you can get these classes in online. So you can purchase through www.shikharatutorials.in. So now we are going to coming up with the face-to-face classes for the group 2. Not only the face-to-face, online classes are also available. And next one, coming to the fee details, group 1 or group 2. If you want to purchase either group, you have to pay 30,000. For the both groups 55,000. The students, those who have purchased on or before 22nd December, they are going to get 10% discount. So remember the date, 22nd December, they are going to get 10% discount. When coming to the faculty details, for the group 1, the law is taught by CA Cainterdt sir, having a 6+ years of experience. Financial accounting by CMA Vemendra sir, having a 4+ years of experience. DT by CA Bhaskar sir, having a 10+ years of experience. IDT by once again CA Cainterdt sir, having a 10+ years of experience. And costing by CMA DQ Naveen sir, having a 6+ years of experience. And next, the group 2 faculties, OM and SM by CA Manindra Singh sir, having a 10+ years of experience. CA corporate accounting by CA Bhanu Vemendra sir. Audit by CA Rohit Grover sir, having a 10+ years of experience. FM by CMA DQ Naveen sir, 6+ years of experience. BDA once again by CA Manindra Singh sir, and management accounting by CMA DQ Naveen sir. Next, the batch starts from already 22nd December, will be completed by the February end. Okay now. So during the classes plus weekend examination plus study hours will be available. So from March 1st onwards till the date of examinations, we are going to provide revision exams, EO batch and study hours. So in the study hours or during the classes of study hours, the faculty are available so you can utilize the faculty time. So next, when coming to the materials, we are divided into the two types of books. So concept book and workbook. In the concept book, the total concept and MCQs we are going to give. In the workbook, board book questions, and next one, past papers and MQPs, and workbook questions which are released by icmai. So next one, the students, those who want the face-to-face of regarding group 1, you have to wait until the results after the results we are going to start group 1 face-to-face. Now the students, those who want to purchase online, already once again I am repeating, www.shikharatutorials.in. So is there any doubts, means you can contact 63099901213. So please grab this opportunity as early as possible. So once again we will meet in the classes. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.